Hey everybody, I'm Alabama Boss, and this is Deep Fried Summer Edition. Today we're gonna be making a deep fried, bacon wrapped Spam and cheese sandwich. When I was growing up, we would get Spam for breakfast. We'd get it for lunch. Sometimes we'd get Spam for dinner. So we've decided to make it into a luxury item here at Deep Fried. Wrap it in some bacon, put some cheese in it, and we'll deep fry it into some massive burger. It may kill me. We're gonna change it up a little bit. We're gonna use jalapeno Spam. Ah, the smell of cat food and jalapenos. And there's our loaf. Oops, stay on the table. What we're gonna do here is I'm gonna make these about this size. Now, if you're gonna make a bigger one, you can do it this way. Whatever you wanna do. To make these sandwiches, I'm gonna cut them just like this. That way I'll be able to make 2 of these bad boys. Now we'll cut our cheese. We all like to cut the cheese. And this cheese is gonna sit perfect in between our meat. These right here go great with a Marlboro Red and a Mountain Dew. All right, now we're gonna wrap this baby up in some bacon. We wanna wrap this thing up real good with bacon. That way our cheese don't escape on us, because it's gonna try to, but we ain't gonna let it. We got 2 slices around it, and to keep our ends closed off where the cheese don't come out, we're gonna bring this last slice over the top there to that, and that. Then we can skewer all those ends and it cannot escape. Holy shit. I can't even get my mouth around that son of a bitch. It's time to move these babies on over to the deep fryer and get them cooking. Nice little jacuzzi bath for our Spam sandwich. I can already smell that jalapeno horse coming. Oh yeah, I can smell that jalapeno coming out of that horse's ass and lips. Keep thinking about jalapeno horse. What are we gonna do with these horses? I grind them up and call them something. All right, so this is nice and golden brown. Gonna go ahead and take these out, let them cool off. Be careful when you do this, because they got some weight to them. Holy shit, they hot. All right, we've let these babies cool down, but now we're gonna dough them up. All right, we're gonna be using these little crescent rolls, make their bun out of. They're easy. I love easy. Where's the tab? All right. Booyah. All right, so you just roll out your crescent dough there. Then we're gonna take these bad boys, lay them in the middle. What we'll do now is pull our skewer out. We've laid our meat substance right here in the middle of the crescent roll. We'll bring this end up here. Bring this end up. Just trying to fold her all up in there and close it up. It's like 2 giant bull nuts. I believe we're ready to head on back to the deep fryer. Got a little saggage in our sack here. We need to push it back good and tight on our meat. All right. Time to put them in. All we're doing is browning the buns. They are good and golden brown. It is time to take them out. And they are heavy, so be very careful. All right, these babies are done. We've let them sit here and cool off a little bit. It's time to bust one open and see what they look like. It may be sideways. It's gonna come out long ways. Smell the hickory smoked bacon and the ground up horse meat. Let's try this thing. You get the point. I'm done with this slow motion. You get the point. It's sweet, it's salty, it's spicy, but I think we should have cooked the Spam a little longer. Maybe not so much Spam. We put a lot of Spam on this thing. It's kind of like a big bar brawl. You know, you got all these people involved, but there's the Spam, and he's Kimbo Slice, and he's like kicking everybody's ass. Nobody's getting a chance because there's so much of Kimbo Spam on here. I'll be honest. Would I cook this again and eat it? No, I'm not gonna lie. Well, there you have it. The first and probably the last bacon wrapped, cheese stuffed Spam sandwich I'll ever eat. Let me know in the comments if this is something you would like. I'm Alabama Boss of Red. Y'all have a good one.